So this is the unboxing of the shaver, the 7000 series by Philips. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. So inside the box, that's your first part of it. You can download the shaving app. So let's have a look. Inside there, so that's your first bit. Inside there you get this. So you get this. There's nothing in there. I think that's a cleaning brush. Yeah, and a USB charging cable. But this one's quite interesting because it's like that. The cable. Okay. And you get one of these weird stands. Right. And if you take the box out completely, as you can see, you've got two manuals there, actually three manuals. You've got your manual there. So let's have a look. So basically you get this, and this is the actual shaver. As you can see, the shaver is this one, a beautiful shaver. We'll go here. That's the stop. Right. So if you want to get yourself one of these, stop moving. Then get yourself one. Really nice. And inside here, that's your cable. And that's your stand. Your stand. Stay there. My cameraman's a bit like that. So this is it. The Philips shaver, as you can see. So I'll be testing it out. That's the side of it. I got this from Boots. So there you go.